Hello everybody and welcome to North Llanwrst Railway Station. Two platforms here. And so the track joins that must have been where the flood was this morning. It's all cancelled due to flooding, but they seem to be okay again now. Yeah, it's a really nice station house that there. Didn't really get a good view of it. Train is at 47 here to Llanwrst. Crazy how the sun is already starting to go down. It's only about 1 o'clock. There's a big coach depot outside here. Some quite nice coaches actually, that company. There's a beautiful station building here. There's some electric buses at this company as well. I went on that upset there just a minute ago. Yeah, I do quite like that firm. Got some nice variety. Scanias and whatnot. Mercedes, VDL. Ops here. But yeah, really nice. Really grand building. What is quite a small place. Signal's already set. An altered signal box. Must be one here. There is a barrow crossing here, which is nice to see. There it is. Next train on this one isn't till 3:15. Yeah, here's this station building. It's lovely. And there's the signal box. An altered signal box. Get off here for Trefreel. I don't know what that is. Welsh Dragon there. This has had the platforms heightened here. Makes you wonder how low the platforms are. Yeah, the views here, the mountains, the trees, it's just impeccable. It's amazing. Nice little waiting area there. Some recycled water going into that barrel there. It's always nice to see when that happens. 153 car stop. Now 197. Some cycle storage facilities here. Also keeps your bike dry as well under the shelter. Let's go over the crossing. Stop, look, listen. There's signs here primarily in Welsh, and the English is smaller than the Welsh here. Just to show. And that's storage there. Across the track here to catch the train. Plug point for the phone. Just the same signs again. Coming back up for the platform edges. It's always nice to walk up with the platform ramps like that. You never really get to do it. Canoe there. And this is a little brook here. Little stream flowing. That's really pretty. Little tiny bridge there. About 5 minutes until the train. Some Some concrete Harrington humps here. Heightened platform there, you can see it. Same sort of platform heightening they did for every station on the Isle of Wight line. Yeah, it's a lovely waiting area there. Really clean and really spacious. Yeah. There we have it. 150 S car. Here's where the platform used to be, a lot longer than it is now. Just grass platform edges. Just how things used to be a long time ago. It's still nice to see reminiscences of it like that now. Well, as my train arrives, I'd like to thank you very much for watching this video here at North Llanwrst. It's just stopping there for the token exchange. Thank you very much for watching this video here at North Llanwrst. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, thumbs up, subscribe, and I hope to see you very, very soon in the next video. Until then, it's bye-bye for now from me. Put your hand out for the train, I think. Get there. Big step up.
Gogledd Llanwrst. Byddwn yn teithio i
Thanks for watching.